So this is Bryant Steam Boiler, and we have 4-inch pipes. This is old steam pipes. There's a gate valve, and we have header right here. So this header has to be specific size and specific length, cannot be reduced, has to be done exactly as it is. So that header goes around basically and comes, this is also a header, and connects to the return. So supply goes out, connects to the return. At the same time we have the piping, the return piping lower than the header. On the other side we have air handler and hydronic coil. It's really not hydronic coil, it's a steam coil basically. We don't see this very often, that the air handlers, the steam coils to be used for heating in the air handlers, but it's gonna work fine because the steam is powerful. It's supplying lots of heat, and the pipe has aquastat, basically a temperature sensor that's telling the air handler when to come on once this is hot. And main steam vent up there, this is the main steam vent, and of course it's always amazing how big these pipes are on older systems. And this is new boiler modified to new. Copper typically is not used for steam, but in this case we have some copper also, just very short section. Everything else is hard piped. The steel pipes, the header and everything is done properly. Automatic water feed and low water cutoff. Right. So this was just a quick video about steam boiler. One other thing here is a steam gauge, the pressure gauge, and the pressure troll. The pressure troll set between, looks like half and 0.1 and 0.5 peak tail. As far as water level is okay. Once it started, water level goes higher when the steam boiler stops working, but it does not drop below, so that will shut the system off. It's not that low